Yeah, we finally got ourselves in. So, United States region. Yes. US keyboard. If you want to add another keyboard, you can do it over here. Next, skip it. Important setup. Yeah, you always have some important setup to do. Oh, it always takes so much time doing this over and over. Just. Oh. So yeah, how would you like to use this setup? So for personal use or organization, let's say organization, we will go with next. So you wanna domain join or you wanna sign with Microsoft? We will domain join instead. We will put some name, let's say admin. Admin as name. And some password. Let's say admin as a password administrator. So you need to confirm your password now. So admin again. Always some admin. And now you need to have some security questions. Fill out another some things. Just continue. Now it understood that it has two displays, so it got itself a graphic settings installed. Yeah. So security question number 3. I don't know, dude, just put something. So just a moment. Always, this is just nothing, not now. And you have over here some things you don't want any of this. Or maybe you want to find my device, syncing and typing, advertising ID, intel experience, diagnostic, okay. You don't need any of that. I don't need it, so you can skip these experience styles and Cortana, you can skip Cortana, and finally you're in. Hi. And you will get yourself to the Windows in no time. Actually, I think I'll not continue anymore because we'll wait for fucking. Sorry for my language. We'll wait for another 5 minutes for it to build up. So, see you guys in another video, I guess. Goodbye.